You'll never throw away a glass bottle again. Do this and save your money. That's right, folks. With this tip, not only will you save, but you can also make money. Sounds cool, doesn't it? And for that, the first thing you need is a glass bottle. Here, I'm using this smaller one, but you can do it with the larger ones too. Then we're also gonna need a piece of wire. Take the wire and place it around the bottle, a little above the brand logo. Then, with the help of pliers, you're gonna squeeze gently, but as close as possible. Alright, folks? It's also very important that the wire stays straight. Besides making it close, you need to make it as straight as you can. Alright, now let's trim it. And check this out, it's gonna look like this, okay? Try to make it as straight as possible. Alright, once you've done that, now you need a candle. Secure the candle at the bottom of a container. And then, let's light it up. Once you've done that, go ahead and slowly run the wire through the flame of the candle, alright? You don't need to take too long here. Just about 2 to 3 minutes will do. Just keep doing that. Once you've done that, folks, you have a container of water right next to it. And then just go ahead and dip in the water. And look how cool. And now here we have an excellent homemade glass cup. See how precisely it cuts? It's just amazing. Then just clean it with some dish soap to remove any dirt. And to finish, just sand the edge of the cup to make it safe to use. And there you have it, folks. That's how it looks after sanding. And that's great to use at home, or you can use it as a decorative item, or you can even make them to sell. Pretty cool, right? So that's it. Try this at home. I'm sure you're gonna like the result very much.